Hello guys. How's it going? Today we will learn how to create moon in Coreldraw with easy method. Let's go start it. First, you will open new file for tries. Click on Ellipse tool. Drag on with Ctrl plus Shift at once. You can see a round has been drawn or created on the board. Now click on the circle, press plus in your keyboard, it will make duplicate the object. Now you can fit it on your desired place where you need to draw. After you keep the circle where you need cursor both object at once. Then you go in the toolbox, trimming option will be available. Delete another spare object. Now you can reduce size or extended size. And then fit anywhere you need. Yes, you are creator of a moon in Coreldraw. Stay tuned for more videos. SO Multi Products.